Imagine a civilization so advanced, so powerful, that its sudden disappearance not only shocked the world, but left an indelible mark on human history. The legend of Atlantis, a civilization lost to the ages, a city swallowed by the sea, has captivated the minds of philosophers, explorers, and dreamers for over 2 millennia. But what if this legendary city was more than just a myth? What if the clues to its existence are scattered across the globe, waiting to be uncovered? Join us as we embark on an epic journey to explore the most compelling theories, recent discoveries, and ancient mysteries surrounding the lost civilization of Atlantis. Our adventure begins in the vast and mysterious Atlantic Ocean, where the Azores Islands stand as sentinels of an ancient past. This volcanic archipelago, rising majestically from the deep blue waters, is located approximately 900 miles west of Portugal. The Azores have long been a focal point for those who believe in the existence of Atlantis. The ancient philosopher Plato, who first introduced the world to Atlantis in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, described a mighty empire composed of a series of islands that were said to have sunk into the ocean around 12,000 years ago. The description of these islands, large, fertile, and surrounded by a powerful navy, bears a striking resemblance to the Azores. But could these islands really be the remnants of the fabled Atlantis? In recent years, intriguing evidence has surfaced that suggests humans may have inhabited the Azores long before the Portuguese explorers arrived in 1427. Some theories propose that an advanced civilization once thrived here, only to be wiped out by a cataclysmic event. In 2013, the discovery of a massive submerged pyramid-shaped structure between the islands of Terceira and São Miguel reignited the debate about the existence of Atlantis. This pyramid, which some believe to be man-made, could represent the most significant piece of evidence yet that points to a lost civilization lying beneath the waves. But the question remains, is this pyramid a relic of Atlantis, a monument to a forgotten people, or simply a natural formation that has captured our imaginations? The answer, like so much of the Atlantis mystery, remains tantalizingly out of reach. Leaving the mysteries of the Atlantic behind, our journey takes us to the heart of the Sahara Desert, where a new and compelling theory about Atlantis has recently come to light. Here, amidst the vast, unforgiving expanse of sand and rock, lies the Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat structure. This colossal, circular geological formation, with its concentric rings visible from space, has long baffled scientists and explorers. Could this be the location of the fabled Atlantis, lost not beneath the sea, but beneath the sands of time? Thousands of years ago, the Sahara was not the desolate desert we know today. It was a lush green paradise with vast freshwater lakes, winding rivers, and an abundance of wildlife. Some researchers now believe that the Eye of the Sahara may be the remains of a powerful and advanced civilization that once flourished in this region, only to be obliterated by a catastrophic event. The structure's size, complexity, and the signs of ancient water erosion suggest that it could indeed be the remnants of a lost city. Fossils of ancient sea life, coupled with the geological evidence, have led some to propose that the Eye of the Sahara might be Atlantis itself, a civilization not swallowed by the sea, but by the sands of the Sahara. As we continue our quest, we travel to the Mediterranean, where the volcanic island of Santorini holds secrets that may offer a glimpse into the true story of Atlantis. Santorini, known in ancient times as Thera, was the site of a cataclysmic volcanic eruption around 1600 BCE. This eruption, one of the largest in recorded history, destroyed the Minoan settlement of Akrotiri, burying it under layers of volcanic ash. Yet in its destruction, Akrotiri was preserved, offering us an unparalleled view into a civilization frozen in time. The Minoans were an extraordinarily advanced society, renowned for their intricate art, sophisticated architecture, and complex plumbing systems that rival those of later civilizations. The ruins of Akrotiri reveal multi-story buildings adorned with vibrant frescoes, depicting scenes of daily life, nature, and the sea. These frescoes, along with other archaeological finds, suggest that the Minoans were a seafaring people, deeply connected to the ocean. Could it be that the Minoans were the true inspiration behind the legend of Atlantis? Some historians believe that the destruction of Thera and the subsequent decline of the Minoan civilization may have given rise to the myth of Atlantis, a tale of a once great society brought to ruin by a natural disaster. Yet the mysteries of Atlantis do not end here. As we delve deeper into history, we find ourselves drawn to the writings of ancient scholars, whose accounts of lost civilizations echo the story of Atlantis. In the ancient texts of Egypt, we find references to a powerful empire known as Keftu, which some scholars believe could be another name for Atlantis. The Egyptians described Keftu as a land of great wealth, advanced technology, and a sophisticated society, much like Plato's Atlantis. Could the ancient Egyptians have been referring to a real place? A civilization that once existed and was known to them as Keftu? Further east in the Indus Valley, we discover the remains of one of the world's earliest urban cultures. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro, with their advanced urban planning, complex water management systems, and mysterious script, offer a tantalizing glimpse into a civilization that thrived over 4,000 years ago. The sudden decline of this civilization, due to unknown causes, adds to the enigma. Could the people of the Indus Valley have had contact with the fabled Atlantis? Or might they have been a part of the same global network of advanced societies that existed in prehistoric times? As we continue to piece together these ancient puzzles, we find that the story of Atlantis is not just a tale of a single lost city. It is a story of human ingenuity, resilience, and the rise and fall of civilizations. Across the globe, from the depths of the Atlantic to the deserts of Africa, from the islands of the Mediterranean to the plains of Asia, we find evidence of advanced societies that once flourished, only to be lost to history. The legacy of Atlantis endures not just as a myth, but as a reminder of the fragility of human civilizations and the enduring quest to uncover the secrets of our past. But the search for Atlantis is far from over. Modern technology, including satellite imagery, deep-sea exploration, and advanced archaeological techniques, continues to reveal new clues that bring us closer to understanding the truth behind the legend. From the possible ruins of underwater cities off the coast of Cuba to the mysterious structures discovered in the depths of the Caribbean Sea, the world is filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And so, as we stand on the brink of discovery, we must ask ourselves, could Atlantis be more than just a myth? Could it be a lost chapter of human history, a tale of a civilization that achieved greatness, only to be undone by the forces of nature? Or is it a cautionary tale, a reminder of the perils that await those who push the boundaries of power and hubris too far? The answers, perhaps, are out there, buried beneath the oceans, hidden within ancient ruins, or waiting to be uncovered in the most unexpected of places. The story of Atlantis continues to inspire and challenge us, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of history, geography, and human achievement. As we explore the past, we are reminded that the truth is often stranger than fiction, and that the mysteries of our world are far more profound than we can imagine. The search for Atlantis is not just a journey through history, it is a journey into the very heart of what it means to be human, to seek, to discover, and to understand. So, as our journey comes to a close, we leave you with this thought. The search for Atlantis is a search for our own origins, a quest to understand the forces that have shaped our world and the civilizations that have risen and fallen throughout history. Whether Atlantis was a real place or simply a powerful myth, its legacy endures, challenging us to continue the quest, to keep exploring, and to never stop seeking the truth. Stay curious and remember, the answers are out there, waiting to be found.